Hi everyone and welcome to this Unity and Euphoria demo. This is my project and I created a set of scenes about sports. The first scene is about soccer. As you can see, there is a football player scoring a penalty with a jumping cheerleader and San Siro in the background. The next one is a basketball scene where you can see an animated cap that goes from the city girl head to the corner, and there is a bull that is the symbol of Chicago Bulls, and a basketball that is going to enter in the net, and the NBA logo on one side. And as you can hear, every scene has its own music soundtrack. For example, this is the NFL official theme song, as we are in a NFL scene. As you can see, there is a football player that is doing a field ride. There is a football ball and an helmet that I created with Blender, and a water bottle and other item that allow to recreate a football arena. For this other scene, I created a box with my own graphics, and I made it become a go-kart with the rotating wheels. As you can see, there is a driver and other racing components to simulate a racing scene, and a waving flag that I created and modeled using Blender. We can go to the last scene. This time the Kentucky has become a punching bag, and we are in a gym. In fact, there is a barbell on a boxing arena with a trophy that I created with Blender, and a boxer that is waiting for his rival. Everything surrounded with the theme song of my favorite wrestler, that is John Cena. Last but not least, I've created a magazine with two buttons to allow to swipe pages back and forth, as you can see. And in the last page I've inserted a video clip of one of the most recent goals of my favorite team. All the pages are taken from the most famous sport newspaper in Italy, La Gazzetta dello Sport. Let's now have a look to the collider animation. Each scene is made allowing that once a target collides with another one, an animation should activate on it. For example, in the soccer scene, the scorer scores goal. In the basket scene, a basket is scored, and the same happens in the football scene. Whereas in the boxing scene, the boxing gloves start hitting the punching bag. Finally, you can see how to be a breakfast table with a can, a cereal box, and a placemat that are animated. And that's all. This is the end of the video, and thank you for watching. I tried to give an idea of which are the features of Unity and Euphoria for augmented reality. Hope that you enjoyed it, and download my project to experiment this new technology.